Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix bad quality on Instagram. If your photos or videos look blurry or low resolution when you upload them, follow these simple steps. First, check Data Saver settings. Instagram reduces the quality of media uploads when the Data Saver is turned on. Go to your profile, Settings, then scroll down to Data Usage and Media Quality and make sure Data Saver is turned off. This will allow Instagram to upload your photos and videos in the best quality. Next, make sure you're taking photos or recording videos in the highest resolution possible. Open your camera, then go to Camera Settings and set the photo and video quality to high. This way, when you upload to Instagram, your content will look sharper. The next step is to resize photo to the correct aspect ratio. Instagram has specific aspect ratios for photos and videos. For images, use 1:1 or 4:5. And for videos, use 9:16 or 4:5. Use an editing app to resize them or just your phone's editing tool. And finally, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any updates if available. New updates often fix bugs and improve the overall quality of uploads. And that's it. By following these steps, you can improve the quality of your Instagram photos and videos. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!